Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that in the last few years, the people of the country have given a decisive mandate which has led to a stable government, predictable policies and clarity in the overall direction. Campaigning for by-polls in 7 assembly constituencies spread over 6 states came to an end yesterday. Voting in these constituencies will be held tomorrow. The second edition of Naval Commanders Conference 2023 will begin today in New Delhi. The country received over 162 millimeters of rainfall in August this year, which is 36% less than its long period average of around 255 millimeters. In US Open tennis, India's Rohan Bopanna and his Australian partner Matthew Ebent defeated British duo of Julian Cash and Henry Patton 6-4, 6-7, 7-6 in men's doubles round of 16.